Ah, ginger tea. A warm, soothing beverage steeped in tradition and packed with potential health benefits. This spicy, aromatic brew not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also offers a wealth of wellness perks. From easing digestion to boosting immunity, and even helping to alleviate nausea, ginger tea is a powerhouse of health-promoting properties. So how do you get your hands on some of this magical brew? Well, it all starts with selecting the perfect ginger root. When it comes to choosing fresh, high-quality ginger, you want to look for roots that are firm to the touch, not wrinkly or soft. The skin should be smooth, and when you break a piece off, it should snap cleanly, releasing a strong, spicy aroma. Now let's talk about creating that perfect cup of ginger tea. Begin by peeling your fresh ginger root. A spoon works wonders for this, scraping off the thin skin without wasting any of the precious flesh. Once peeled, slice your ginger into thin pieces. The more surface area you expose, the more flavor you'll extract. Boil some fresh, clean water. The amount depends on how many cups of tea you're making, but a good rule of thumb is 2 cups of water for every 1-inch piece of ginger. When the water is boiling, add your ginger slices and let them simmer. The longer you simmer, the stronger the flavor. After about 10 to 15 minutes, you should have a beautiful golden liquid brimming with the spicy sweetness of ginger. Now, it's time to strain your tea to remove the ginger pieces, leaving you with a smooth, flavorful brew. But wait, before you take that first sip, consider enhancing your tea with some optional ingredients. A squeeze of fresh lemon adds a refreshing tang, while a drizzle of honey lends a touch of natural sweetness. And if you're feeling adventurous, a sprinkle of your favorite spices can add an extra layer of complexity to your tea. Well, there you have it, a perfectly brewed cup of ginger tea ready to be sipped, savored, and enjoyed. But before we part ways, here's a quick tip for any leftover ginger you might have. Simply wrap it tightly in plastic and store it in the refrigerator. It should stay fresh for up to 3 weeks. And don't forget, ginger tea is a canvas for your culinary creativity. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and spices to create a brew that's uniquely yours. Thank you for spending these moments with us today. Enjoy your ginger tea journey, and remember, the best cup of tea is the one that tastes best to you. Until next time, be well and drink plenty of tea.